Hello, my name is Mark Bissey, and this is my final report for my automated pet feeder. Here's the control system for the pet feeder. The Arduino is powered by a 12-volt power supply. If the 4-digit 7-segment counter gets down to 0, then the step motor will rotate, dispensing food. There is also an early feeding feature, which can be activated from the infrared remote sensor or the touch sensor. In this CAD rendering, you can see that food falls in through the top, rotates around the cylinder, and falls out the bottom. Here's an overview of the design. When the top is removed, you can see a funnel that allows food to fall directly into the cylinder. There is then a notch on one of the caps that hits a limiting switch. This lets it know the cylinder is upright. Here's the inside of the system. I'm putting tape at the opening of the cylinder, just so you can see what's going on. When I first turn on the system, the Arduino checks to see if the opening of the cylinder is upright. It'll rotate until it hits the limiting switch, letting food fall into the top. The timer sets for 480 minutes, or 8 hours, meaning the system will begin at 9 a.m., feed her, and then feed her again 8 hours later at 5 p.m. That was one dispense of the food. It will now move back and forth just to let food fall back into the cylinder. It will then feed her again as my dog eats 2 cups. On the second feeding, I'm going to simulate a jam. Now because there was a jam, it's going to have a delay and it's not going to reach the top. It will then go into a while loop and it'll move 3 steps forward and 1 step back until the jam is cleared and it reaches the top again. If the early feeding feature is used, it'll take the remaining time and add it to the next feeding cycle time. This way, the pet feeder is never off schedule. Okay, come here. High five. How's that? Paw. Other one. Okay. Let's get your girl. And that's my project. Thanks for watching.